Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Fitu's Thai Kitchen. Now today we're going to be continuing our drink series and we're going to be focusing on a drink using Longan. So Longan is quite closely related to lychee, look quite similar. It's a bit smaller, a bit punchier flavour and a lot more juicy. So we're going to be using dried Longan. And this one you can see that the quality of the Longan is really good because you can see it's a bit orangey brown. So this is really good quality. All right, if you get one that's like a dark brown, it's not worth your while using it. If you want one that's nice and orangey brown. So, this recipe we're going to be using about 50 grams, and what's different about this drink is we're going to leave the fruit in. So, the fruit will be in the glass and you can eat the fruit and it's great. It's soft and squishy and all that goodness. Alright, so we're going to be making this in the usual fashion. And you know, boiling it with 2 or 3 liters of water, sweetening to taste if that's your style, that's your stilo, and then just letting it cool down. You could have this hot or cold, as like most of these drinks. And in Thailand, this drink is called Nam Lum Yai. Lam Yai means just what they use for Longan in Thailand, but the meaning of Lam Yai, I'm not too sure. And Yai I think means thread, or they can use it for anything that's thread-like, like a cobweb, spider's web, things like that. Lam, I have no idea, but together they just use that for Longan. And so yeah, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the water's boiling. Let's get the Longan in. Oh, the colour of the water is starting to change already. There's a nice smell as well. So later on we're going to add some brown sugar to this. Just obviously just sweeten to your taste. You'll see the fruit is starting to become pale. We're a bit busy in the kitchen today. I've got Pitu next to me making sweet chili sauce. Smells very strong. So we're going to boil this for about 10 minutes. So the colour of this is getting really nice now. It's a bit difficult for you to see with all the steam. Okay, we're going to add some sugar now. So just do this. Do this bit by bit. Add it bit by bit and you taste. How's a sweet chili? Oh, very nice. And let's not forget, Longan has almost double the amount of vitamin C as an orange does. Alright. Just keep that simmering. I think so. ไก่ไม่ชอบหวานๆนะ Better. Right. That's ready for add into some ice. Let's go for it. So I've got my ice ready. Now we just need to add the longan. Oh, making a mess. Look at that, that looks great. You can see all the longan inside. Yummy. Alright guys, so that's everything. Now, just to try the amber nectar. Oh. Ah, wow. That is so good. Ah, let me get rid of this longan. It's like a syrupy nectar. And just look at the colour. Beautiful. So, that's everything for today. We'll see you next time. Enjoy the recipe. We've got a curry video coming next week. Check it out. It's going to be a bit different. Should be funny. So yeah, take care. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And we'll see you next time. Take care now. Bye.